Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you're on the Discord desktop app and have the movie ready in a windowed player. This avoids capture issues. Once done, join a voice channel or call so you can stream into an active session. Make sure Discord has microphone and screen permissions in your OS settings, otherwise the share button won't work. Also close unnecessary apps that may steal audio or cause performance drops. Now you're ready to select the specific window for sharing. You now click the screen or share button and choose Application Window, picking the movie player process so overlays don't appear. Make sure to toggle Share Audio. Without it, viewers will see but not hear the movie. Then set resolution and frame rate. Choose 720p at 30 FPS for stable streaming if you lack Nitro, or raise to 1080p/60 if you have Nitro and enough upload speed. Once you confirm, hit Go Live and monitor the preview to verify sync. You press Go Live and invite viewers by sharing the voice channel or call link. They'll click Join Stream to watch. While streaming, adjust the movie and Discord volumes independently so dialogue is clear. Mute your mic if background noise distracts. Keep an eye on CPU and upload. Reduce bitrate or resolution if viewers report stutter. If audio fails, stop the stream, confirm the movie's output device matches Discord's input capture, and reopen the app. That usually resolves common sound permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.